Hello guys, this is Nawaz and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing good. Today is the day 1 of our challenge 1 lot to 1 lakh. So let's see what happened today. I'll explain what happened in the market today and what is my thought process behind the trade and when I took the trade and what is the result. So today market opened a little gap up and then the first candle was a spinning top, a proper spinning top, and after the breakout basically market completely went into downtrend. Okay, and at the end market recovered a little, which is obviously fine, and obviously this candle came after the CAS session. So till here I don't see anything actually. So after the CAS session we see that there is a big green candle at the end. I'm not considering this part for. So in my trade there is no part of CSS because I'm going to close all the trades before 3 o'clock. That's my rule. So what is my thought process behind the trade? When market created this first 15-minute candle, I have drawn these lines. I marked this high and this low for the 15-minute candle. If the market breaks out above or if the market breaks down below, in that direction taking the trade is my plan. But market in the third candle market breaks down at the downside, so I took an entry here. So I put a stop loss basically here actually, but psychologically I was thinking I will hold the trade until the market stays below this 24,300. So that was my psychological stop loss, but I was thinking ki I'll hold this trade until the market stays below this level. Okay, so market again tried to go up a little but didn't break this level, and then from then market went completely into the downtrend. So that's what happened. I planned my today's trade and I hold my trade till my target gets hit, and then I left the market. That's it. I didn't do anything else because that's the discipline I wanted to bring it into my trading actually, right? So yes, market went way down and it does crossed my levels and all and everything, but whatever I planned, I got my points and I closed my day 1 in the profits. If we see the options chart, I entered here and I exited in this candle. Okay, my entry was around 53 something, and market did went down after that, but it didn't cross that level actually. 24,280 didn't cross, so market went down for 6-7 points, somewhere around in that range, and my target was basically 85. This was my target. I put a range somewhere around this 90, and if you have seen my earlier videos, I told you that market, if doesn't intend to come to this level, market will come at least to this level and go back again. So that was my thought process. So that's why even though the market range is still 90 according to me, I put a target of 85 so that my target get triggered and then I book the profit. So that was my thought process and it happened. So after crossing this level, market did went upside, but I didn't take trade because in my rule book, if the first trade is successful, just stop trading, leave for the day, just take the profit to the home. So that's what I did today. If you see my trading book, my entry was 53.85 and my exit was 85, which is around 31 points actually, and I took this trade in 1 lot. So if I'm taking this trade in 1 lot, this is the profit, and I want to do this consistently till I earn 1 lakh rupees from 1 lot. So that's the agenda, that's the goal for me actually for this series. Until and unless I earn 1 lakh rupees from 1 lot, I'm not gonna increase 1 more lot. So that's it for this day guys. Day 1 is profitable. We don't know about day 2 how it's going to be, but let's see. Till then, peace.